Yes, children, today we have to start the today we have to start experiment number 1, that is chromatography, and the purpose of this technique is to separate the components given present in mixture. For example, if we are having red and blue ink mixed together, then we can separate red and blue ink by using the paper chromatographic technique. So this is experiment number 1 for your class 12th. So first you have to go through the object. So object is to separate the colored components from a given mixture of red and blue ink by ascending paper chromatography and to find the RF values of components. Now this is your aim is here. You have to separate red and blue ink present in ink mixture. So I told you that chromatography is one of the technique, one of the method to separate these two components. Instead of red and blue ink mixture, we can take some other mixture also. Then we can separate the component present in mixture of metals, chlorophyll. So in this case we are taking red and blue ink present in given ink mixture. Now we have to, what will be the steps for the separation? You will be given one chromatographic paper, or you will say it is Whatman paper. What is the name of this paper? It is Whatman paper used for chromatographic purpose. Now your first step is step 1. That is, you will draw here one line with the help of lead pencil 2.5 centimeter from one end of this paper strip. Again I am telling you, first step of this chromatographic technique, draw a line at the height of 2.5 centimeter. This line is known as baseline or original line. Then you will take here, with the help of capillary tube, you have to implement red and blue ink mixture. Like you are taking here with the help of capillary tube. At the center of this baseline, you have to give one small drop of mixture of red and blue ink. Keep it for few minutes. Let it to be dry, and now you will set this apparatus in this gas jar in such a way that one of the end of this chromatographic paper is touching the level of this solvent. The precaution that you have to take here, that this drop which you have implemented on this paper chromatography should not be immersed in water or immersed in solvent, whatever solvent you are using. Only the end is touching this solvent. So this will be the setting of this apparatus, the gas jar, and this chromatographic paper is set. It is kept for 10-12 minutes and keep it still when you are performing this experiment. After 10-15 minutes you will get here that these components, red ink, blue ink, will get separated. And now what you have to do here, you will take the distance travelled by red ink from the baseline, distance travelled by blue ink from the baseline, and distance travelled by the solvent. Already diagram has been drawn here. You can take these three distances are to be measured with the help of scale. And the distance that you will measure, it is to be taken from the baseline or original line. Then using these distances, we have to calculate RF value, that is retardation factor or retention factor. So RF value equals to distance travelled by the component from the baseline divided by distance travelled by the solvent from the baseline. For example, in the numerator you are taking red ink. So distance travelled by red ink divided by distance travelled by the solvent from the baseline. So in this way you will calculate RF value of red ink and then RF value for blue ink. Then you will draw the table and then you will write here distance travelled by component, distance travelled by solvent, and on the basis of that you will compare the RF values of these components, that is red ink and blue ink. So you will get this type of chromatographic paper strip, that you can say it is the chromatogram that you are getting here. It is known as chromatogram. Now you have to attach this paper with your notebook and you will write the experiment in systematic way in your copy. So this is one of the experiment we did here, that is chromatographic technique, right?